Hello and welcome back. I am Average, and today's number one mission is getting a hammer. We need a hammer. We need to do renovations on the house, so we're getting it today. Thanks for watching. Oh, I know. We gotta keep grinding. I need the hammer, Larry. I need the hammer. We grind tonight. And then we invest. And then we grind more. There's not like a...
Bill, pick a number 1 to 3.
Is there not a rack?
3.
Dear Mr. PC, I need help with changing the upstairs floor plan in my summer house. Bring down some walls, then divide it into 3 bedrooms. Paint the walls, finish the floors, buy furniture, that sort of thing. You might notice that I've done some work on the house already. I thought I would finish it on my own, but as I can only go there on the weekends, my plans turned out to be too ambitious. Since I don't spend much time in the house, I want to prepare it to be rented out to tourists, but I'd like to move in after I retire, so please make sure to deliver quality that will last me years. I'm counting on you to make me millions. David Hoffman, PhD.
Millions.
Begin job. Okay, so I think we're getting the hammer.
Okay.
Good
nice.
choice, Bill. Good choice.
Well done, Bill. Okay. That's up there.
Connor,
Where
please,
are
for the
you?
love of God, if we have to paint or finish walls, please do that.
Oh,
first before you push it.
Larry!
You dead. Fucking gone.
Demolishing for beginners.
Go-
Let's freaking go. I sold the book, so we're just gonna raw dog it and then hope for the best.
you fucking would sell the literature that teaches us how to play the game.
Oh, there's we got building for beginners, and it's sold.
Die.
We'll figure it out, Larry. You know, it's part of the part of the cycle of life, part of the fun. Some trash can out the window? No, damn it.
I'll be right back, boys.
I think I just sold something I wasn't supposed to, but it's probably fine. Oh. Larry's just watching. What? I have to... Ah, I have to take it down. It's so annoying. Can't throw it off the frickin' balcony. Oh, there we go. Okay, that didn't work. So I do have to, like... Okay, if it hits the railing. What? Oh, at least I can go down. Wait, I can just jump down.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Okay, let's see.
Just like frickin'... It's the upstairs, I think. So we have a hammer. Okay, and it tells you where to bust.
Oh, hell yeah.
Get ready to bust.
Bust it. Bust it.
Oh, do you do a power swing? Let's go.
They have power attack mode?
Dude, they have a power attack. You, like, wind up, basically.
Hell yeah.
That's sick. This game got a whole lot better, Larry. All right, what else is coming down? Oh no! Messed up. Okay. That disappears. You know what would have been a cool but annoying dynamic in this game? If like when you destroyed a wall, you had to pick up the debris with the trash bag.
Oh yeah.
Would have been annoying. Would have been annoying, but would have been kind of.
I wouldn't have complained about it.
Yeah.
Because you know, we wouldn't know any different. We were just like, oh, you got to do that.
Yeah, yeah.
Like if they added it to like an update, then I would. If it was
Yeah.
like that original, you know.
It's just an interesting
Yeah.
little thing that could have been. Okay. I no more break.
Yes.
I no more break. Very sad. Kind of wanted to break. Oh, yo. Okay.
Right there. That's okay. I don't know.
What? Yo, building a wall in this game is awesome. Nice. Okay. That's pretty cool. Vacuum. I need a vacuum more? Oh, there. Oh, wait, don't I have the, oh, yeah. Forgot I have the boy wonder. Oh, I thought I just painted the floor somehow. I was freaked out.
Be very interesting. I think old lady would fucking have a conniption fit.
Actually, I don't. Is this an old lady?
No.
This is just somebody that discovered the infinite money glitch of turning a
Bro,
3-bedroom into a 4-bedroom by just making 2 of the bedrooms smaller.
I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing.
Just a regular night for Bill.
It's so hard to keep track of these fucking quests.
Yeah, especially when you have a million of them. That's when it starts getting real
Yeah.
pain. Oh, this is...
I'm trying to just stick with the one story because I didn't get it done last time.
Wait, more paint, please. I'm just gonna buy my own. Neutral wood.
I got some of that.
Nothing neutral about that.
My wood is actually a lot more biased than one would think. They got slanty eyes. I just can't help myself.
What?
Talking about my wife.
No, I'm talking about mine.
Jeez, Bill. God damn, bro.
What?
Nothing. Talk about a man's wife like that? It's crazy.
What is going on here? Oh, God. It's annoying. Very
You're on
annoying.
a death run.
Oops, messed that up. It's fine. It's all fine. I did it again. It's fine. I'm just gonna. Oh, you could just spam it. Oh, what the heck? What am I even doing?
If there's multiple that you need to buy, yeah.
Oh, why did I not just do that? Okay. Okay. I've lost the power of. Oh, there we go. Okay. Lovely.
I've lost power over an erection.
Okay, I just need to buy some stuff. Bill, just stop talking, and
Oh
then
man, this fucking like a bag of Hostess in front of me is the worst idea in the world.
I've heard worse ideas.
I'm gonna eat. Fuck it.
Can I turn it like this? Is this worse? Yes, that is worse. Why do they give me nightstands that I can't put by the bed? Am I crazy? This is middle, right there. And I can't do... Alright, screw you, dude. I'm putting them sideways. I can't even put it sideways, dude. It looks so bad. Whatever. It's fine. That's what he wanted. That's what he would have wanted. This is all supposed to go in this room? What the? Oh. What are you supposed to do with this? It's too much furniture in this room. I don't understand. Alright, you can go in here. Looks bad, but, you know. Why can't I put this TV anywhere? Oh, there we go. Not my favorite room in the world, but, you know, fine. Okay, we just 3-started. Wow. It's nice in there. Oh, how do we 3-start if we, bed there. Table. Nice. Okay. You're stuck.
42 grand!
When are we gonna buy a house?
I mean, we can. We technically can.
Okay.
I feel like I would like to finish the first house, but
Finish it. Okay. All right. Well, yeah. Let's work on the house. I need to do a gym, and I need to clean up the.
yeah. Now that we got the hammer, yeah. I've just been trying to get the hammer
man.
this whole time.
Yeah. Trying to get that hammer out, bro.
I got a bowl of pickles and I ate them before I even made it to my chair.
Damn, I wish I was doing that.
Phil, you live a life, man. You live a
Good
life.
dill pickles. Oh my god, the little weenie ones.
Do they make you feel non-threatened? Is that why you like the little mini weenie ones?
It's the only thing that does. You know, a cashew gets pretty big.
Oh, fuck. All right, we're
All
decorating.
right, half bath time.
Okay. And put whatever new door you want. Just sell the doors.
Are you getting rid of that wallpaper?
Bill,
Well,
would you shut the fuck up
Yeah,
about the
wow.
wallpaper?
Man,
We chose this.
live, bro. Let a man live.
I
God.
can't deal with it. It's driving me crazy.
I need like a
Sell it.
carpet limestone. No. Ooh. How do I
Swing it later.
change the text?
Start on the wallpaper size.
Or text here. But how do I text there? Fluffy carpet. I want a poplin. Feel like a poplin is what I want. Color. Good. Like a. I need rich. No, I need pure. All right, I'm gonna ask you. I'm gonna say a word, and I need you to give me the first color that comes to mind, and that color cannot be black or white. Are you ready?
Okay.
The gym.
Blue.
Blue. Like a dark blue? What kind of blue?
Thinking like a royal blue.
Okay. Royal. I don't really have a. I guess I could do a custom.
Oh.
Ooh, I kind of like. Hold on. I hope this fits. Perfect.
Oh, shit. Got ramen on them. Where'd you even come from? Fuck out of here.
I feel like I'm in a menu. I'm not usually. Oh, categories. There we go. Lights. I want some of these. How do I do? Yes. That's pretty sick. Oh yeah. Okay. And they're blue. Love it.
Fuck yeah, I want that. Okay. I don't know why I picked those up. I don't want them. Harvested organs.
Oh, nice.
Harvested organs. Damn, Bill.
Yeah,
Bill,
look.
brutal, bro. Calm down. I don't know what you're doing on this game, House Flipper, but
I'm in some biology tech thing. We are not enemies because these nerds can't do it themselves.
I can't wait till we get to flip that one, Connor.
how do you get to the?
Wow, House of Organs.
How do you get to like the wheel for the tool you're using?
R.
Is it R? Oh, okay, nice. Black paint.
The fuck? Yeah, you.
Okay. And I need like I need a fucking shelf now. Categories. Like storage? Yeah. What am I thinking? I need something tough. I need something tough. This could actually work. How far down am I? Okay. Maybe that. Oh. Coat rack done. What am I thinking? Ooh, Lord Jesus, he just finds it like that. He can't be stopped, ladies and gentlemen. He's just on a roll all the time. People have tried to stop him, they say, but he just never gives up, you know.
The hallucinogens are taking effect. Maybe.
The other part.
Yeah. This one's called The Back of the Toad.
Okay, let's start off with this.
Let me fucking die, you lady. Leave me alone.
Just let me fucking die. No, okay, I need to then R copy style. Nice. R sell things. Okay, nice. Actually, I might have to sell you.
Starting to look like a gamer's room in here.
Hey man, you said blue. This is not a gamer's room.
Why is he holding his hands like that?
I don't know what I want. I feel like it should be something weird like this.
So or today, what? I think. So today, swollen tomorrow. Why does he hold his hands like that when he's building something? It's like he's praying.
That's how you build, Bill.
Oh, all right.
Bill would never know.
It's weird that the pull-up bar is like.
You're gonna put your head through the attic.
Yeah, well, that
Hey,
No, not really.
God,
But
God giveth and God taketh. All right, I don't know.
the garage.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Like,
Oh
track
shit.
is.
Yeah. Fuck. All right, that was an oversight. That was an oversight. Hold on, let me move these. Small oversight. It's fine. That's better. Yeah, I think that's fine. Just don't know what to do with you. I feel like I want to use you somewhere. I'm just not sure. Maybe over here. Okay, I need the plate rack.
I'll take care of it again. Fucking people with problems in space always got fucking things I can help them with.
Always got fucking problems.
I'm the goddamn great mantis right now. They should be fucking paying me double.
Nice. Oh, actually, I should do that. That looks better. Ayo. Ayo.
Yeah.
Ayo.
Metabolic agent in my ass.
Ayo.
Got bent over.
What are you getting bent over?
That
What are you doing?
UC pack. Fragmentation line.
Okay, what do I got? 25
There was a
something?
guy like bent over, and I was making fun of him because he had a blown out head as well.
God. Bill's
Jesus Christ, Bill.
so mean, bro.
But
Making
they're
fun of people
spacer.
with blown out
They're
heads.
spacers. They're spacers. Doesn't matter. They're fucking pirates. Nobody cares about them.
Bill,
Somebody might.
that's somebody's son or daughter.
It was.
Jesus. No! I didn't mean to do that. I didn't mean to do that. Oh, shit.
I don't know if you saw, Connor, but we have $107,000.
Really?
Buy a house. Make love in it.
Oh, wait, I guess I
Probably
could just buy
House
these now.
rooms, don't grab it.
Oh.
Is that a gator humping a turtle? Is that what
Yeah.
that is? It's
Yeah,
69
yeah.
and a
Should I go
turtle?
with it? Should I do it?
Yeah, I like it. I hope it's not a snapping turtle. I don't like the star. Is this wallpaper or carpet? What are you picking?
Well, this is wallpaper.
Oh my god. You need to build a game room just with that gator thing in.
Why is this red now?
Am I supposed to take off now? Fuck.
Oh, gosh. No!
Oh no, you just deleted something.
Larry, I really fucked up here. I fucked up twice now. I wonder if there's like is there a way?
That needs, yeah, try that. I was just about to say, try like a cream color. See what it looks like.
Okay, we're gonna go with indigo too. I think we're gonna do an indigo too.
Oh yeah, that one. Spot on, bud.
Indigo too and white.
More creamy. Oh, that looks good. I like that. Boom. Fucking
I don't want to know what's
amazing.
happening over there. Okay, this
Nah,
was.
I don't know what just happened, but he fucked it up.
Okay, this is going easier than I expected. Okay.
Right there.
Crises averted. Crises averted. Bye. Okay, and then I have. Okay, I'm gonna do 5s. 2 5s. I'm going to.
Wasn't this the garage? Where are you
This was
at?
like a mud room or something.
Oh,
Okay. Then I need hobbies.
It was just like a storage area that you got into through the garage.
I need the
maybe
10s.
chip. Oh, what did I do here? Oh, it's auto saving, so something's happening.
10s. Okay, 10, 20. Okay, 15s.
Did anybody get kicked out tonight, Larry?
15s.
I don't know. I wasn't really paying attention.
I like how that's just like a
I
normal
do-
activity. You're just like, ah.
Oh, let's
I feel like I
check
need a
if-
metal material. Metal.
No.
Buy. No, actually. No, I don't want that. I want.
Shift, where is it?
Okay. R.
I did fucking do
What
it.
the?
Oh my god.
Snap
this
to.
is so
Oh,
stupid.
okay. It's getting really hard to follow this game. All right. Perfect.
Carnival.
Okay. No. We're going to. Okay. I want 20 on the inside. 20 on the inside. I want 10 with the 20. And 10's gonna be in the middle. Boom. 10. $15 on the inside.
My favorite this motherfucker. F? No, I don't.
That's to pay respects, I think.
Hunter, I don't like the doors that I put on here, so like if you find a better door.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna.
hate it.
I wasn't gonna be rude, so I'll just leave it at that.
Yeah, you wanna. You go ahead and slap whatever door. If you're feeling it, just put it down.
Okay. Will do, sir. Let me start from the bottom. And I'm gonna get to the top. I feel like it's pretty gym-like if I can get it not wood. How big is it? Let me just buy it and. That ain't it. That ain't it. I know we thought it was it. That ain't it. That ain't it.
Oh, that's where I'm fucking.
I feel like I should just go with something like that.
No.
I like the wackiness of this, I'm gonna be honest.
Went into M. Anything else? Fucking fire, man. What is that?
Wish I could stack them together.
Is that the one I'm supposed to go to? Or is this the one?
Boom, boom, boom. Oh, then R, then that, then that, then that, then that.
Cold.
I kind of want the other way now. Okay, so we're gonna do buy. Boom. No. Oh man, I am not doing well. Okay. Colors. None of these colors. That should be indigo too. And then this should be like black, I guess. Here is basically green, but that's fine. Looking good. Looking great.
Die, motherfucker, die, motherfucker, die.
Jeez, bro.
Beep. See him? Oh, I thought, Mr. Spacer, did I catch you on fire with my knife?
Still scaring me.
Oh, this guy got the heavy.
Oh, shit.
Cut you in the back.
Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Well, I'm going to paint this the correct color.
Talk with the survivors.
How do I go? How do I just go back? Oh, there we go. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do actually? That's smart, Connor. Smart. He's a genius. Storage. Okay, I need to find the perfect motherfucking storage. It's definitely this. I need to find the best storage possible. No glass. No glass.
I feel like
I feel like if I,
this is an IKEA sponsored fucking game.
Bill, how did you know that? We're actually today's episode is sponsored by IKEA. Go to IKEA for any sort of college dorm room needs. There we go. That's the plug.
But seriously, IKEA, if you want to sponsor us.
But seriously, yeah, I'll come up with something better than on the spot like I just did. But you guys
Yeah,
didn't.
you
You
could
did
do
carry
like,
me through my 20s.
My wife used to love that store, and I would fucking gag every time I was in it.
There's
They
actually
herded
pretty.
you like cattle the whole goddamn time.
They probably herded you like cattle because they knew. But
No, there's.
You are.
I was
cattle.
going the
That's all you
wrong
are.
way down a one-way
that's all your
road.
word,
Yeah,
Bill.
yeah. I hate that. I hate that fucking place.
It's just
My wife would be yelling at me that I'm going the wrong way down the aisle. I don't care.
God, you're one of those. Ugh, you deserved it.
I went backwards through the whole fucking store just to prove a point.
God.
No one's gonna say anything to me if I do this.
Yeah, because
I've
people.
never bought IKEA.
Don't go.
Sorry.
They literally heard you.
Purge you. You're missing out, Larry. But it's a great place.
I mean, I do like to be treated like cattle.
it is cattle-esque, I'll say.
That's why I picked the job I picked.
There's a certain hint of cattling, yeah. So this looks lame.
A hint?
Maybe this
Hey,
needs
Connor?
to be black, and then this one needs to
Do you have the on your flipper tool, do you have the recoloring tool on the left?
Yeah.
Can you come change the faucets on the sink?
It's gonna be a tough one.
I think you're doing a great job in here, by the way.
Thank you. Alright, I'll come. Where?
Thanks, dude. In here. This sink.
Oh fuck. What the fuck? Damn, it looks good in here. What do you want me to do?
Change the sink. I don't like
oh.
the faucet. The faucet
I-
looks the same color as the wall.
I have the I can't. I have the
You don't have it on the left? To the left?
No, I have the
There's, like, a
bottom one.
painting thing? Oh, okay.
Yeah, sorry. I thought I could also recolor with that. I was incorrect.
Look at that fucking. Oh, I love that outfit. Fish worker wetwear. Love that.
What'd you call me?
That was good, Connor.
Thank you. I put no effort into it. In fact, I was yawning while it was happening, but okay. I need like a fucking
Oh, I got some X-Tech.
Oh, does it not? Is this not thick enough? Oh, love of God, bro.
That's what she said.
You gotta put another coat on it.
Never
Layer down gently.
layered up. Okay, I need thick boy storage. I need the thickest storage
Thick what?
humanly possible. This is it. This is the thick storage 3000. This is perfect. This
With
is
fake asses.
God, Bill, he just can't be stopped, dude.
Lots of storage.
We try. Larry, we've tried.
What did you try? I can't say that. Are not thick.
I mean,
You can't store things in their butts.
Shit, dude. Okay.
Makes sense.
this should be like there, and then I finally get to put my little weights down. Okay. Oh, this one's got a curly one. Oh fuck. No, it's fine. 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 Okay. Weights. Oh, they remembered what color I wanted. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, dude.
People are really keeping me busy. There's sure are a lot of them. You know I'm not under your command. I like that.
You know I'm not on your. You would pick that one, Bill.
Yeah. She's getting a little entitled with my services. I cleared out all her fucking research labs for her. Now she's telling me to go kill their ships. And I still haven't got paid yet. I'm gonna get fucking scammed.
Yeah, it sounds like you're getting scammed, dog.
Start demanding fucking payment soon. How do I get out of there? Alright, let's just... Yeah. Crowd. No. I was watching because Larry didn't put up any new content recently today, so I was watching this redneck turn
Larry,
one of those.
50% of your fans are putting you on blast right now. That's crazy.
I was watching this mechanic put a Ram diesel into, or a Cummins diesel into one of those like little port trucks, those little Japanese port trucks.
Like a K truck?
Yeah, I think that's what they're called.
Yeah.
Like the whole back of it was engine, and he got it. You know, I went through the episode, and he got it up and running, and he was just so fucking excited. And I was like, that would make me that excited too if I could do that, and just make a living doing stupid shit like that.
Yeah, I know. That's the real dream. It's just buying fucking cars and flipping them and doing that.
He probably made more on YouTube than he will on that truck, but fuck, man.
Oh, 100%. He's probably losing money on that truck. Nobody's going to buy a Cummins diesel fucking K truck. Especially not one that a YouTuber made.
Oh, no, bro. He seemed like a legit mechanic, I mean, but you know,
Still, dude.
YouTube, so he could be YouTubing how to do it at the same time as a character. Alright, let's kill some spacers. Sorry, I didn't mean to use the hard R there.
Fuck, dude. I was like, dude, nobody say anything. We gotta cut that out.
Connor, what? Connor, come in here. Come in here.
Sorry.
You just have to.
Hold on.
Goddamn
Why is there a
spacers.
skateboard in here?
It's a gym, Larry. You ever do a squat on a skateboard?
But Larry's clearly never been to a
Jeez.
hipster ass gym before.
Oh man, I have extra points in those, and I'm not even using them.
I'm using them, dude.
I need your opinion on what color the mirror and faucet should be, I think, Connor.
Oh jeez, there's 8 of them. Fuck.
I got an opinion for you. I got an opinion right here for you, Larry.
You're dead?
Oh, I just farted a little.
Oh yeah.
I want them like kind of sideways. Oh, maybe that can be like here. Yeah. Okay, what?
Color should the frame of the mirror be? I was thinking like something dark, like black, but
Black? I wouldn't do black. Honestly, the cream doesn't look that bad.
okay, I'll just leave it like this then.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, I'll put all these. I need like a hype
Right before your
ass.
missile hits me. There we go.
Was that all of them? Oh, Larry, I see why you got your own.
Wall art you're talking about?
Yeah, I like this.
Oh, I like the muscle groups thing.
Yeah. Wait, hold on. I gotta get
I'm here
Okay.
because you broke it.
Slow down, Bill. There we go.
Dude, we should leave that in everybody's house, like every job that we do. We should just put that on the front door.
Yeah.
Fucking toast. No, I gotta go fucking back to that place.
All right.
Should just leave them.
Forgot how to open it.
Called it week.
Oh yeah, let's see. Oh dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'd be pissed if my neighbors had this set up in here.